morning, everyone. My name is Sam Saivali,
And my name is Ravi.
and today we will talk about effect of smoking. Smoking is very harmful to our health. When people smoke, dangerous chemicals from the cigarette go into the body and cause many problems. First, smoking can damage our lung. When people smoke, it make their lung hard to breathe and cause many problems in their lung, like can cause coughing and lung disease. Second, smoking can cause cancer, especially lung cancer. It also can cause cancer in the mouth, throat, and other part of the body. And now let's move to Ravi's turn.
Now it's my turn. Third, smoking also can affect our heart. It can make our heart work harder, increase the risk of heart attack and high blood pressure. Next, smoking also affects our appearance. It can cause bad smell, bad breath, yellow teeth, and wrinkled skin. Finally, smoking is expensive and we can become an addiction. It is hard to stop once you start. In conclusion, smoking is bad for our health. So let us say no to smoking and choose a better health.
Thank you for listening to our presentation.
Let us say no to smoking.
Have a nice day.